The whole calendar, the governance system, all of the requirements are built into the Mobideo system. It's very easy for the team to see visually where they stand versus where we should be to date. The thing I like the best about Mobideo is it's real time. Mobideo has enabled us to be close to real time, helps us see things when we still have the ability to influence them. There are not many problems that we encounter in the refineries that are more complex than a turnaround. I can't stress enough the value, the insights, and ultimately the improved decision-making that we've seen since we've gone to a digital solution for turnaround. The reason that I chose Mobideo is because we were already utilizing the execution software. And so what I wanted to see was basically a cradle to grave process that I could manage from the same system.